mga lods, welcome back again to my kitchen vlog. But for today's video, we will making fried rice. Yep. And I'm decided to make a fried rice today. So we have shrimp. Of course, we have the leftover rice, 4 cups. And then we have some corn, 1 cup of corn. Same thing for the carrots, green onions, and of course garlic. And we had this eggs, and of course the main thing is shrimp. So let's make it some fried rice loads. So again, loads, we prepared our pan ready. Some oil, like always, just a little bit oil. It's a little bit oil. And now we will add our garlic. And again mga lods, thank you so much for my new subscribers. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat yan. Kumusta po? Kumusta kayong lahat yan? Nabulol na ako. But anyway, thank you again for my new supporters. Sana hindi kayo magsawa na laging sumusuporta sa aking videos. And again mga lods, shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan. And now we will add our green onion as well. At sa mga hindi pa dyan nag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo dyan. And don't forget to hit the notification button para ma-notify kayo sa aking next videos. And again mga lods, I cook lutong bahay. Simple lang ang ating niluluto. I just love to share a little bit knowledge for the recipes. Anyway, I just love to cook. And like I always said, share lang tayo ng mga recipe natin mga lods. So how about you guys? Would you like to have fried rice as well? But anyway, on this fried rice, I make yum yum sauce as well. For the next vlog, I will make a yum yum sauce and I will teach you guys how to make it. It's very simple. Yum yum sauce is good for fried rice as well. And a yum yum sauce is so simple to make. Only you need this 4 ingredients. The main thing is you have your favorite mayonnaise. But anyway, I will teach you guys how to make a yum yum sauce. So, abangan nyo mga guys yung ating yum yum sauce recipe. It's coming! But anyway, kumusta naman pala kayo dyan lahat? So, how about you guys? Paano ka magluto ng fried rice? Namiss ko yung fried rice talaga, especially in the morning. Especially the fried rice in Philippines. I like to have a garlic fried rice with a dried fish. How about that mga lods? Diba mahilig naman tayo ng dried fish. But anyway, since lutong bahay tayo, so coming soon our dried fish. Mahilig lang talaga ako magluto mga lods. So pasensya na kayo dyan. Wala din naman akong ginagawa. So I'd love to share my simple recipe as lutong bahay. So mga lods, it's almost done for our vegetables to add. So now ilalagay na natin ang ating kanin. Oh no! Muntik ko na nakalimutan. Meron pa pala tayo. Yep, shrimp. Ito, I'm gonna put the rice now, but no, not yet. But the shrimp, it don't take long. Just cook a little bit. Ulam na. And we add salt, pepper. This salt, just a little bit. Oops. My shrimp, it's almost done. Now we will add a little bit soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So now we're ready to put our rice. And this rice is the leftover, so since we don't want to waste nothing, so we better cook it before it get bad, right? There you go. We can add more soy sauce. Oh, yummy mga lods. Yummy. Ulam na mga lods. So ano tingin nyo dyan? And again, mga lods, thank you for watching my vlog. And always, lutong bahay tayo. Tipid-tipid. This shrimp, I think I bought this shrimp before it's on sale. So, hindi natin yan pakakawalan. So, kailangan natin lutuin. Sayang din pag hindi natin lutuin. So, we have to cook it before it get bad, right? So, there you go mga lods. Yummy. So, ito na nga mga lods. Simpleng luto ng bahay. Lutong bahay na pagkain. So, syempre. So, mga lods, after all of the work we did, so now, here you go. Here's our fried rice, and I make yum yum sauce as well. So, the yum yum sauce, I'm gonna put on my next vlog, guys, how to make yum yum sauce, and it's really good for rice and for everything. Thanks again for watching. Bye!